So, are you a cheese lover just like me? If yes, so today I'm going to give you an eggless baked cheesecake recipe which is very easy to try at home. Hello foodies, welcome back to our channel. So let's have a look at the ingredients first. Here we will take 10 to 12 Marie biscuits. You can also take cookies of your choice. Full fat cream, lemon juice, hung curd or any yogurt that is available, cream cheese, unsalted butter, vanilla essence and powdered sugar. First we'll grind the Marie biscuits into a fine powder. Here I am taking butter at room temperature. Butter is very important step here as it is used to bind the Marie biscuits. So while mixing, if you realize that it needs more butter, you can always add more. Here while mixing I realized that I need to add 2 to 3 grams more butter. So I did that to get the final texture. Once I get the desired texture, I am going to add few drops of vanilla essence to it. Since we are making a cheesecake that will serve too, so I have taken a small container here and lined it with the parchment paper. Now I am going to add this mix to the container and will try to flatten the crumbly biscuit powder mix. And since spatula is not handy for this task, I switched to a glass with a flat base. Now I will simply twist and turn till I get a smooth base. This is again a very important step. I'll keep on sharing tips like this, so stay tuned till the end. So see, finally our cheesecake base is ready. I'll pop it into freezer for 45 minutes. And till it is getting ready, please do subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with the main ingredient, that is cream cheese. Here I am taking 90 grams of cream cheese. To this I am adding 1 tablespoon hung curd, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, few drops of vanilla essence, 1 tablespoon of heavy cream. Now I am going to mix well all the ingredients. Now let's add 20 grams of powdered sugar. The good thing here is you can always taste this mix and add sugar as per your liking. And now whisk until you get the soft peaks. I am using a spatula here. If you have an electric beater at home, use that. Until our creamy, delicious mixture is getting ready, let me share some facts about cheesecake with you. There is a very thin line between the baked cheesecake and the basque or burnt cheesecake. If you bake your cheesecake constantly at low temperature, then it will be a baked cheesecake. However, if you heat it at high temperature towards the end, as I did, it will give a burnt look on the top. That's known as burnt or basque cheesecake. And now our creamy and cheesy layer is ready to be poured into the chilled container. Tap it gently to remove any extra air bubbles. Here I have preheated my oven at 200 degrees for about 5 minutes. So finally our cheesecake is ready to be baked. I'll bake it for 20 minutes at 160 degrees and after that for 10 minutes I'll bake it at 180 to 200 degrees. Another important question that will pop up into your head is, when will I know that my cheesecake is ready? To know that, you will have to do a simple wobbly test. And by wobble test I mean, you just need to shake the container and see if the cheese is moving like this, that means your cheesecake is ready. But I would suggest you should keep your oven door open for a while and let the cheesecake cool down. And once it's cooled down, you just pop it into the fridge and refrigerate for at least 6 hours before serving. And see, our delicious basque cheesecake is ready. But before going, let us discuss some important tips. Firstly, use room temperature butter. It is very important. While adding the crumbly biscuit mix to your container, do line the container with the parchment paper. Trust me, it makes your life really easy while pulling out the cheesecake. And since I am a cheese and chocolate fan, I'll top it up with some chocolate syrup. Do let us know in the comments which flavored cheesecake is your favorite. So friends, if you like our recipe, do share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. See you in next video.